So I made homemade bread. Let's call it Hot Pockets. And I put some of that Birria meat in it and packed it full of cheese. I'm gonna show you how we made it. Okay, first we added some milk into a bowl with a little bit of sugar and some dry yeast. Then we combined all this together. So we let it sit for about 15, maybe 20 minutes until it started looking a little foamy on top, like some oat milk. And then we added an egg and then some oil. So right here we added some cold cube butter, about a tablespoon, and we whisked this all up together. Making sure that you whisk everything together to get the egg all beaten and broken up. You don't want any egg to be still whole. Now one of my ingredients I put in my bread is powdered milk. So I'm putting in about 2 tablespoons of powdered milk, and we're gonna still, again, combine and mix this up together. So right here, you're gonna add a cup of flour. In total, you're gonna have 3 cups, but you add 1 cup and then you fold it over. Don't beat it, and just kind of fold and mix it till it's all incorporated. And do that 3 times. And when you get finished, it should look a little bit like this right here and start to stick together like a kind of a gel/jello. So now you're gonna flour your board, dust it a little bit, and pour your flour mixture onto the board. Well, I'm gonna call it dough. It's kind of messy, so be ready. Now I sped this video up a little bit, but all I did was added some flour and kept on trying to knead it and get it into a ball that I guess was pliable so I could use it. So it's very time taking. And after some time, here we go. This is what I'm looking for. Stretchy, soft, almost like Play-Doh. Now we're gonna take this and put into a greased bowl. I used olive oil, cover it with some saran wrap, and cover it up and let it sit for about 2 hours. So right here I used 2 cheeses. I used this low moisture mozzarella cheese, which I shredded up, and I used Kobe Jack. Okay, so now about 2 hours later, I take off the plastic. It has risen a little bit, it doubled in size, and I can stick my finger in it and it stays, letting me know that my dough is ready. Okay, so I manipulated my dough into a log and then I cut it into about 6 pieces. So I'm gonna have 6 pieces of bread. And these balls are what I rolled them into before I put them back into the bowl and covered them for another hour. So after the hour, I took them out, I rolled them with the rolling pin and made a circle, more like an oval shape, and I put all my filling in, my Birria meat, my cheese, and then I folded them. This took quite a time, so I sped the video up. As you can see, this is how I did it, and I tried to make them look like some type of apple turnovers, but remember, they're Hot Pockets. Once I had all of them done, I took a knife and cut a little small slit in each one of them so it could breathe and it wouldn't burst open. Then I added an egg wash to the outside layer so it could be golden brown and crispy. And then I did a little bit of sesame seeds and some flake salt. And here you go. This is what it turned into. My own Hot Pockets. God dang. Butter beans.